Hello everybody, welcome back. How to set up a printer using a USB cable. Let's do this real quick. Go ahead and get you a PC or a Mac and a printer USB cable and get on over to your Konica. What you want to do is go over to the right hand side, open the door, and look at that little USB printer cable right there. The one above it is the Ethernet port. So just go ahead, plug right in there, just like so. Really easy. Flip on over to your USB port. Hopefully it's not as dirty as mine. And just go ahead and plug in. And just like that, your computer will automatically install the printer. Now what it might not do is find the correct driver. It might just put the generic driver on. I actually have the correct driver installed. So it actually, as you can see, it says Konica Minolta 754E, so it's cool. It found the driver for me. I'm just going to go ahead and delete the printer here and then replug in my cable so you guys see how fast it actually happens. Either way, even with the generic driver, you'll be able to print perfectly fine. All right, I'm plugging back in here. And you're going to go ahead just like that. It pops back up perfectly fine. Like I said, if you want the driver, just go ahead and go to Konica Minolta's website. I'll leave the link in the description. Install the driver first, and then go ahead and install the printer. So I'm just going to open up the print queue, go to printer, and just do a test page here just to make sure everything comes out perfectly fine. As you can see, the print job's sending, and it is sent. Just like that, guys, we're all done. How to print a USB. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.